how to set flash to on or off auto on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on camera app. So if you want to turn on or turn off flashlight, so click on this 4 dot icon and you will see flashlight icon is here, so click on flashlight icon. So if you want to turn on flashlight, so click on this, so click on this icon, so you will see flashlight is turned on. So take a picture, so you will see. So if you want to turn off flashlight, so click on this icon. So after click on this icon, you will see flashlight is turned off. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can turn on or turn off camera flashlight on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.